Welcome back, guys, and this is episode 10 of Technoventures and part 6 of the very special unboxing series. We are here today to unbox the ASUSxGUNDAM COLLAB, and today we will be unboxing the motherboard this time. This is the Z490-Gundam Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard Gundam Edition. It has a 3-year warranty. Again, really beautiful finish. The ROG look, okay. The ASUS logo right here and the Gundam logo. So text and background over here. Again, the text has this really nice holographic touch to them that is really pleasing to the eyes. At the backside, we will see what we all need to know for our motherboard. Take a look at that, guys. The motherboard already has a design at the back, so you can take a look at it before unboxing it. And we have here all of our descriptions for our motherboards. Back panel I/O port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1 USB Type A plus 1 USB Type C, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 4 USB Type A, 1 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI port, 1 Intel 1219V, 1 GB Ethernet port, 1 ASUS Wi-Fi module, 5 audio jacks, it's a lot of audio jacks, 1 optical SPDIF out port, USB rear, we have a total of 6 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1 Type A and 1 USB Type C, 4 USB 3.2 ports, 4 Type A front USB, total of 6 ports again, 1 USB 3.2 front connector, supports USB Type C, 1 USB 3.2 header support, additional 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, 1 USB 2.0 header supports, additional 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 header supports, additional 1 USB 2.0 port, 4-pin Ethernet, wireless and Bluetooth, nice. It's Wi-Fi 6 ready, Bluetooth version 5.1 ready, CPU, Intel socket LG 12410 Gen, Intel Core, Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors, refer to Ayoko na. So that's about it that we need to know for, that is displayed at the back of our motherboard box that we need to know about our motherboard. Again, this is the Z490 Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard Gundam Edition. So let's take a look at our motherboard. Yay! Take a look at this. Boom! A really nice touch here. What's this? Oh, what's this? I don't know what this is. But let's put that back for now and take our motherboard out. I'm going to be really careful right here because this is the motherboard and I don't want to drop it. Okay, I didn't drop the motherboard. So, what's inside the fire box? Well, the box has its own way of telling me to be careful next time. We have our user guide. We have lots of stickers, Gundam stickers and ASUS over here. Here we have the backplate for our motherboard. Oh, it's a nice touch to it. We have our more connectors. We have more screws. We have our installer right here. The installer has this Gundam feel to it too. We have more plating. I don't know. Here we have our motherboard layout. Step 1, install expansion cards. Oh, that's step 5. Step 1, install the CPU. Step 2, install the CPU fan. Okay. Step 3, install memory modules. Step 4, install storage devices. Step 5, install expansion cards.
Later that same evening.
Again, let's take a look at our beautiful RX-78 motherboard. I'm going to be really careful not to drop it or not to be sensitive about it. Really nice finish here. We have the Federation word right here. The EFSF, the Earth Federation Space Force. RX-78 here and there. RX-78 Gundam. Really nice touch. I want to take it out, but for now I won't. You guys have to watch the building part of this series and take a look at the backside of the motherboard. It's a full RX-78 Gundam right there, printed at our motherboard. So it's not a sticker, it's printed at the metal at our motherboard. So that's about it for our motherboard. I'm going to put this back now. Take a look at our stickers. So that's it. We have the motherboard back in. Let's pack this out nice and clean and close the box. That's our motherboard, guys. The ROG Gundam Z490 Gundam Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard Edition. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you guys like more videos like this, you can like and subscribe on my FB page and YouTube channel. And if you guys have any comments, if you guys have any tips, if you guys have anything to say, you can comment down below and I will try to leave you guys a reply. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more unboxing video. We still have a lot of things to unbox. We have the case, the motherboard, we have trade in the box, we have the case, we have the monitor, we have the case, and the graphics card. Probably the most expensive part in this room. And lots of things to do. Still have a long way to go. Again, this is episode 10 and part 5 of the unboxing series of the ROG X Gundam collaboration. So see you guys in my next video.